How to stop unsaved numbers from calling you on iPhone. So if you want to stop any number you do not save on your iPhone from calling you, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. Although this is an irrational decision, as this may stop you from receiving important calls if the contact is not saved on your phone. But if you want to do this video is going to walk you through. So if you found this video of information, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to stop unsaved number from calling you on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page you want to locate the phone app and click on it, either on iOS 18 or on iOS 17 or earlier. On iOS 17, locate the phone app on the settings page and click on it. On iOS 18, scroll down and click on apps, then scroll down until you get to the phone app and then click on it. Now once you select the phone app, scroll down a bit, and here you want to locate silence unknown callers. All unsaved contact or unsaved number on your phone are regarded as unknown callers. So go ahead and click on silence unknown callers. Then here, call from unknown number will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and delayed on the recent list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contact, recent outgoing calls, and series suggestions. Now, to remove or stop unsaved numbers from calling you, just enable silence unknown callers and then you are good to go. So that is basically how you can easily silence or stop unsaved numbers from calling you on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.